Et bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour la suite de Red Dead 2, la suite ou plutôt le préquel du 1. Alors on va se lancer tout de suite dans l'histoire. Je suppose que c'est le chargement, ou je sais pas. En tout cas j'avais hâte de faire le 1, enfin le 2, la préquel du 1, parce qu'il y a vraiment beaucoup de questions, beaucoup de choses qui étaient dites, qui me montraient dans le 1 et que j'ai vraiment envie de savoir les réponses. En plus d'avoir toutes les améliorations aussi qu'il y a eu, les nouveautés qu'ils ont rajoutées par rapport à la version. En 1999, l'âge d'or des hors-la-loi et des as de la gâchette touchait à sa fin. L'Amérique devenait un pays régi par les lois. Même l'Ouest avait été dompté. Quelques bandes arpentaient encore ces terres, mais elles étaient traquées et détruites.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Chapitre 1, Colter. Ok.
Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out.
See if we can find one of them.
And this?
Just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it gladly. But we are gonna ride out and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Okay.
Il va falloir que je me réhabitue aux touches. Et du coup là,
Let's head out.
on retrouve Dutch.
Sure what we're gonna find out here,
On a
Dutch.
retrouvé un nom comme
We have
John.
to try. Stay close.
Je me demande si le gamin qu'on a vu, c'est pas le petit gamin Jack.
Damn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh,
On va voir
it
tout
has
ça.
to blow over
Je risque de
soon.
toucher à mes touches pour le début et tout, parce que il faut que je me réhabitue à ces nouvelles touches. Je suis quasiment pas configuré avant de lancer le jeu.
Bridge coming up. Take it easy.
C'est facile, ok. On va voir quand on sera plus libre pour manier le cheval. Il faudra vraiment qu'on sera plus libre. Est-ce que le shift, il faut le maintenir pour qu'il accélère ou est-ce que c'est une seule fois?
Lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start. So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming. But there was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it. Wait, is that someone coming towards us? Easy. You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them Calendar boys is. Or
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always!
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're the only ones crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Yeah, well, don't talk to me about crazy.
Oh, so no, glad you're all right. I was worried, Micah. Look, it's all gonna work out, Morgan. We lost a few folks, but that's just how it goes sometimes.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling so good about it.
Where are all the others?
Old mining camp, back up the hill. Ain't much. Shelter. So, this house, you speak to the people there already?
No, like Dutch told us. Look, don't talk to no one. Just following orders. You know me.
Right. How much further?
Not far.
What does that mean?
Not far.
Thanks.
Oh, goddamn, this snow gets right to the bone.
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
Les effets dans la neige sont bien faits. Par contre, j'arrive pas à savoir si... Ok, ma santé est affichée en bas de la gauche, ok. Je sais pas si il faut... C'est pas du tout les mêmes touches du coup du 1, parce que le shift maintient... Ok, il me fait faire des allers-retours.
Let's hitch up here.
Maintenez E. Ok.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front. Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a body
cans of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
I think you should go now.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am kind of desperate.
Hey, I don't believe it. Come here, partner. Come here. It's goddamn Dutch Vandal. Oh, shit! Look out! There's more to be. Sorry, what? We got here first. Watch out! One up top in the window. I say, you sons of bitches!
Il est pas rapide le tir. Hein.
We've got a runner. See him, Arthur?
Ok. Je sais pas juste si c'est l'arme qui met du temps à tirer ou pas.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here!
Why? I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house.
On peut loot.
Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
J'adore loot. Au cas où vous avez oublié. Par contre, les effets dans la neige sont bien faits. Hein. Très très bien faits.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
Ok.
I'm starving.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Donc, je suppose que c'est pour manger le tout.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
What? Cole's dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Ok. Alors. Restaure vraiment votre niveau de santé et légèrement celui de l'énergie. Retourne. Ok, c'est un coup ça, t'en donne moins. On va prendre ça et du coup on mange.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Ah. Ok, un couple.
Looks like the poor bastard was married too. At some point.
If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down. I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
Jack et une lady. Et JD. Non.
Meet me out here when you're done.
Sadie. Ok. Les touches, je vais voir que... Je regarde, parce que je sais pas exactement pour l'accélération et tout. Un petit coffre, non, ça c'est quoi? C'est la sortie. Nos premiers Dolex. Oh là là. I. Ok.
What's taking so long in there?
Just let me finish searching the place.
Donc on a juste à maintenir. Et des balles. Voilà. Ah bon. Ok. Quand on sera plus libre, je regarderai exactement mes
Micah,
touches, mais bon.
Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Alors.
Bastard shot my cousin! Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck!
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me!
Oh, did you now?
Pour l'instant, ça n'a pas l'air compliqué, hein.
Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here, and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please. Please.
Je pense qu'il vaut mieux le faire mourir. Il faut pas le laisser en vie. Il est de la bande adverse, clairement. Donc, il faut...
It's okay. Easy. You're okay. There, boy.
Et un niveau d'affection. Ok. Améliore la confiance qu'il vous accorde ainsi que ses attributs. Ok, d'accord. Améliore ses attributs avec un niveau de confiance.
Bastard still in there?
Ah,
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need to hitch him. He's already skittish.
Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing? Whoa, look what I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Micah. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Micah!
Miss. Now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. and my husband, they...
C'est celle de la photo.
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us.
Sa pauvre maison est malheureusement
It's okay.
détruite par un vaurien.
Bad man. He ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Elle a perdu son mari, sa maison. Et en plus, elle a subi probablement plus de traumatisme que ces deux choses.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Oh, Bill! On retrouve le Bill du coup. Ok, sympa.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. If the situation were reversed, and he'd look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
C'est bien Abigail, donc c'est bien la femme qu'on a eue dans le premier. J'avoue, je l'ai pas reconnue avec le visage au début.
Not like that.
Je n'ai pas répété plusieurs fois son prénom avec qu'elle recherche John en plus. On peut dire que c'était une autre, mais c'est bien elle. Et du coup, John est forcément vivant. Est-ce qu'on le joue dans le... Ah bah non, on le joue... Non, si, on le joue dans... C'est la suite, donc si, il est vivant.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. That way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
A few hours ago, most.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. And suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left, down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Pas trop compris la barre de santé du cheval. Est-ce que la barre de santé descend tout doucement, automatiquement? Comment on fait pour la remonter? La barre de santé à nous, j'ai compris, et pareil pour la barre d'énergie. Il faut juste se nourrir, mais pour nourrir le cheval, est-ce qu'on peut plus nourrir le cheval aussi? Alors, c'est lui le cheval que j'avais gardé? Je sais même plus. Je me pose quand même des questions là sur pour la santé du cheval. On va juste regarder ça.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. I mean, we can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
On a entendu un bruit, non? C'est moi.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
J'avais entendu un bruit bizarre. Ah.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Ah. Here.
Come on.
Par là.
Up there.
Au-dessus.
It's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses.
Restez là les chevaux. Hein.
Walk from here. I'd grab that
Vous pouvez
shotgun
tous
from
ceux qui ne
your
savent à
horse.
la fois, vous pouvez
Who knows
intervenir.
what's up ahead?
Projetez-vous de la selle de votre cheval. Ok. C'est pas comme dans le 1 où on avait tout eu. Attends. Ah. On va prendre le revolver, c'est bien. Ah, il faut que je prenne le pont.
Come on.
Faut que je prenne le pont, d'accord. Bon, bah, je prends le pont. C'est beau, hein. La vache.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
It's slippery. Be careful. Mierda, we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Où est-ce qu'il est parti se cacher? La chose c'est vite lorsque vous courez, sautez ou grimpez.
Careful.
Ok.
There's a drop here. Watch out here. Watch your head here. Okay, good now.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall.
Donc là, ma jauge de machin, ok. Alors, on va prendre juste la nourriture. Bah, un truc qui restaure. Je pense qu'il faut prendre ça.
Let's keep moving. Up here. Come on.
Z, ça c'est comme dans le 1, ok.
Gap here. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John.
Et il est parti se cacher loin. Hein. Il est parti se cacher loin.
Dang, it's cold.
Je sais pas si je peux juste pas courir parce que c'est la cinématique. Enfin, c'est le. Ou.
Let's keep moving then. Come on.
Faudra que je voie vraiment quand je serai libre de déplacement.
John, where are you? Marston, you hear me? John! Marston! I'm here! Out on the ledge! That's
À
John!
gauche, où? Corniche.
Hey!
He's down here.
Over here!
Alors,
All
où?
right! Hot down, Marston! That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre.
C'est donc ici qu'il a eu sa grippure sur,
Can't go back the way we came.
sur sa
Try this
gueule.
way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You all right?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out. You see that on the ridge?
Des petits loups.
Perfect. You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Okay,
Avec
here
le-
we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur.
J'ai que 2 balles. Hein. Maintenez, puis.
We're getting you out of here.
Hey, over here!
Draw them off
Here.
us, Arthur.
Hey!
Okay, let's get going before any more
Pas les dépasser. Ah. Et les effets sont. Ah, ils sont bien faits. Hein. Ils sont bien faits les effets. Dommage qu'on puisse pas encore les dépasser.
What are you doing, Arthur?
Ok.
Come
On y va,
then.
John.
Let's get back to the others.
Il y a la trace et tout. Ah, c'est cool.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella, got bit by a dog, died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
J'ai une prédiction du futur, ouais. Ouais, tu ne vas pas mourir.
More of 'em.
Ok, j'arrive pas encore à conduire.
More wolves on the left. Get the hell out of here. Get out of here. You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here?
Ils ont pas l'air très pressés de sortir. Hein.
Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Quand il parle de la civilisation, c'est comme s'il parlait de la mort.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
C'est l'événement qui se déroulait pendant que vous explorez le monde et les lieux que vous décrivez sur le papier dans le carnet. Maintenez J pour le consulter.
We wait. When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
I guess.
Blackwater.
You sound doubtful.
Not doubtful, just worried.
Je sais pas ce que c'est censé représenter.
For Hosea, I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
I hope not.
We had a bit of bad luck, but then the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a bit.
Ok, j'attends juste que la...
Water and we get our money, or we get some more money, and we keep heading west.
But we're heading east.
For now. For now.
Ok, j'ai acheté un nouveau carnet. L'autre a été détruit dans cet incendie il y a des mois, je sais même plus quand. J'ai pas beaucoup écrit ou dessiné depuis. Et ça m'a manqué. Ça m'a plus manqué que je ne l'aurais pensé. J'ai eu l'occasion de passer dans un magasin et me revoilà une pluie à la main. Avec toute cette histoire dans le nord et l'incendie, on a passé plusieurs mois dans la nature en descendant des grizzlies du nord. Ok. Passé presque tout l'hiver dans le contrefort à l'ouest des montagnes, on trouvait facilement de quoi manger, c'était la belle vie. Dutch avait une piste pour acheter du terrain. Ça ne correspond pas à ce qu'il voulait, ou bien il a eu peur qu'on soit surveillé par les autorités et que quelqu'un sache qui on est. Alors on n'a jamais acheté, on est toujours en mode rouille. C'est vrai que c'est une bonne raison, parce que c'est ce que a fait John et il s'est fait traquer du coup. Jenny, une gentille fille qu'on a récupérée au bord de la route, et Mika, un hors-la-loi que Dutch a rencontré dans un bar quelque part. Dutch semble avoir un faible pour lui, mais c'est un type impulsif, imbu de sa personne et qui passe son temps à ergoter. Océa et moi, on ne sait pas trop, on verra bien. On a fini par se poser et maintenant on se terre près de Blackwater. Mais je perçois en ville pour voir si je peux retrouver des coups intéressants. Donc ça doit être Jenny. Pause. Ce ne sont pas le cowboy tout pourri. On dirait bien que notre situation s'améliore, on a plein d'argent, le chemin qu'on a suivi était trop long et tortueux pour quelqu'un ait pu nous suivre vers le sud et l'est, ou deviner où on pouvait aller. On pensait à la Californie, mais Dutch et Orsea nous emmenaient à Blackwater. Ça doit être la construction de Blackwater. Ok. Blackwater s'est apparemment développé depuis qu'ils sont venus ici. On m'avait dit que c'était juste un relais commercial, mais c'est une petite ville en pleine expansion. Effectivement, c'était ça. J'ai l'impression que tout le monde est corrompu par ici, mais ça sent le pognon à poignée, à planer. C'est bon de dormir dans un vrai lit de temps en temps et de retrouver la civilisation après des mois passés sous la tente. Mais il n'aime pas être près d'une ville. On vit ici maintenant. On campe surtout hors de la ville, caché en pleine lumière. La vie est plutôt facile. Abigail et Marson s'engueulent sans arrêt, je me demande pourquoi il est revenu. Il ne sait pas s'il veut être le père de son fils ou pas. Donc c'est bien ça. C'est bien ça. La prise de bec soit épuisante. J'ai entendu parler de quelqu'un qui pourrait être bien très très longue nuit. On ne l'a pas revu depuis des mois. C'est un des compagnons qu'ils avaient. Océa et moi, on est sur un gros coup. Une grosse somme d'argent doit arriver pour une histoire d'arnaque immobilière qu'Océa pense avoir découvert. Je sais pas encore vraiment. Le crime parfait, vu qu'on vole des escrocs, on reste très prudent. C'est marrant de travailler à nouveau avec Océa. Ce type est le roi des bolivernes, mais si ça donne rien, on perd vraiment du temps. Ok. Donc ça va être l'histoire du bateau. C'est bon de remonter des arnaques. Océa est un sacré bonimenteur. Il s'inquiète, il a peur que si on traîne trop en ville, on attire un peu trop l'attention. Mais Dutch pense avoir flairé un bon coup, lui aussi. C'est lui qui le dit, pas moi. L'argent d'une banque doit arriver par bateau, apparemment. Alors pour l'instant, on prépare les deux coups et on verra ce qui se passe. Le plan, c'est de fuir quelque part dans un endroit désert, à l'ouest, si on peut. Enfin, c'est un échec, mais pas dans un endroit désert. On est en pleine montagne, à l'ouest. Mika et Dutch vont braquer le ferry en ville. Ils le disent bourré d'argent, mais c'est celui des banques qui arrive par bateau. Pour une fois, je ne participerai pas à l'attaque. Océa et moi sommes trop occupés avec notre affaire et je crois que ça va bien se passer. Dutch reste confiant et affirme que si tout le monde partit vite, tout ira bien. Bah, ça n'a pas été le cas. On va de faire leur cours et de s'enfuir vers l'ouest. Le lendemain, Océa et moi on boucle notre affaire et on les rejoint. Ils parlent à nouveau de la Californie, mais ils parlent aussi de tout un tas d'endroits. Ok. Et là, c'est un début de cheval. Croix. Ça fait des semaines qu'on est en cavale, on n'a aucun répit, c'est pire que d'habitude. La mission à Blackwater, l'attaque du ferry, un fiasco total. Jenny est morte, la pauvre. 6 des marques ont été arrêtés ou abattus, personne ne sait vraiment. Dutch a buté une fille, volontairement ou pas, j'en sais rien, mais apparemment c'était un piège. On a pris la tangente aussi vite qu'on a pu en abandonnant presque toutes nos affaires et notre argent. Davy. Davy T, ok. Non, Davy est mort, ok ça. Alors qu'on fuit vers l'est, dans les Grizzlies, une tempête nous est tombée dessus. Davy, qui avait été touché au ventre, a fini par mourir, c'était pas beau à voir. Nous, on a failli mourir de froid, mais on a trouvé un refuge dans un village de mineurs abandonné. Depuis, on se repose en attendant le dégel. Ça, c'est le camp. Le printemps est là, mais j'en attendais plus. Océanement, on avait organisé un braquage. On a dû laisser tout ça derrière nous avec tout ce que je possédais. J'ai peur de ce qui risque de se passer quand on quittera cet endroit ou que les autorités nous retrouveront planqués ici. On a trouvé une fille, enfin une femme plutôt. Son mari s'est fait assassiner par les hommes. Audrey Sol. Ok. Sympa le carnet. Raconte un peu toutes les histoires. Privilégié pour déveiller de votre contenu bonus. Ok. J'ai déjà trop de tonique, ok. Alors que je regarde les...
Okay there, Dutch?
Thank you. Thank you for bringing John back. Finally, some relief.
He's beat up, but he'll be all right, I hope. How you feeling, Jose? You've been coughing a lot.
That's the cold. Thank you for bringing John back.
Of course. You okay in here, Molly? It might be warmer by the fire.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
Ok. Donc ça, c'est Bill. Je sais plus qui c'est déjà. Colter. C'est ça que je voulais voir. Truc avec la course. La commande. Le truc avec la course. Le truc avec la course. Appuyer, maintenir pour contrôler la vitesse à pied. On va dire oui. Le cheval, pour l'instant, le cheval, on va pas toucher, on va rien dire de plus. Si je fais ça avec la course. Ah, c'est le... Tu peux courir, hein, tu sais, tu as le droit, non? Pourquoi il court pas? Pourquoi il court pas?
It's okay. It's okay. You're safe now. She'll be okay, Arthur.
I'm sure she will, Mary Beth.
Alors, les paramètres, attendez. Pourquoi je peux plus courir d'un coup? Non? Appuyez 2 fois rapidement sur une commande en direction pour courir et 3 fois pour sprinter. Lorsque vous courez, relâchez la commande. Ok, alors on va tenter. On n'arrive pas à courir. Je vais essayer ça juste avant. C'est Shift, hein, configuration des touches. Courir. Ouais, c'est bien ça pour courir. Ok, bon. Bien ça pour courir. C'est de voir si je reconnais le Billy, mais bon.
Because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces.
I guess folks miss them. That fell.
But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Probably. Funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Colm O'Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
You sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Colm O'Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah! Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. The camp near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this score they're planning. What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them. As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
C'est peut-être le début de la folie de Dutch.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Colm O'Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love
Parce
will
que
die.
ce que disait John, c'est que avant Dutch était cool et que c'était les dernières années que c'était fou. C'est peut-être les dernières années. Hein.
Some things I can forgive, others I can forget. What he did to Annabelle, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close.
Easy.
Hold up here. All right, gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now, Mr. Morgan and I, we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position
Ah, il y a
here.
Javier Escuela aussi.
Let's go.
Nice. Vraiment tout le monde. Hein. Juste par contre, il faut que je vérifie un truc dans les paramètres pour le cheval, encore une fois. Hein. On ne terminera jamais. Parce qu'il faut que je mette ça en tant que cheval. pense que l'orientation sera bien mieux. On verra la prochaine fois qu'on sera sur le cheval, mais je pense que c'est bien mieux.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On en voit au moins 8.
Who's he talking to? He don't
1,
seem
2,
very
3,
happy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ouais.
No.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colm can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there. Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Je sais toujours pas comment courir. Non. Sur,
You boys be ready to pick them off from up there.
quand t'es à pied. Je veux le pistolet ici. Une carabine. On va mettre la carabine ici, ce sera plus simple. L'assaut. Un point, ok. T'as plus toujours l'arme? Ok. Il y a autre chose que j'ai vu aussi, je sais pas où c'est, ça fait beaucoup de choses, mais bon. Affichage? Ça n'a pas l'air d'être affichage. Audio non, graphisme peut-être? Non, c'est pas graphisme, non. Général. Attends, j'ai peut-être un affichage et que j'ai pas fait attention à ce que c'est ici. Réticule, c'est ça. Je veux le point, je veux juste un petit point. C'est ça. Ok.
Good. Come on, let's go. We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur. Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on. Oh, watch out. This bit's steep.
Apparemment, il va falloir que je m'intéresse à la course parce que je ne comprends pas comment elle marche la course. Mais je pense que c'est parce qu'on est encore dans l'intro. la mission dès le début. Je comprends pas. Ça marche pas trop la course.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running.
Hush. Let's just get down there first. Follow me. Let's head for that building in front.
C'est pas l'animation où tu le gardes en main comme ça, tu le mets pas dans ton dos directement.
Come on, follow me. Okay, let's get in cover.
Ready for this job to be done.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
So we got everything we need.
We have to move on this right now.
Okay, I'll go first.
We're ready to roll. Too soon. When they give the word.
O'Driscoll! You're dead, you bunch of bitches! Oh, I'm gonna get to you now!
Ok, il y a des... Ok, regarde, ça suffit d'appuyer sur... Ok. Il y en a un autre là-bas, j'arrive pas. C'est pas facile de tirer. Hein. J'ai l'impression que quand il tire... Ouais. Faire 2 clics à chaque fois. C'est un peu étrange. Pas, Attendez, j'ai besoin de savoir ça. Est-ce que c'est commande peut-être? C'est pas possible en fait. Le double tir et un changement de type de multimission. Lorsque vous utilisez votre revolver, vous pouvez choisir de changer de multimission. M'en fout de ça. Hmm. Je sais pas.
Let's get at him! Come on! Take out those bastards in the cabin!
Ok.
I think that's all of them! Search the bodies! Strip everything we can from them! You recognize any of them, Dutch? Of course not. Colm doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun, ride a horse, and kill without thought, how long some of you have been with me. I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools. Oh, shit! Look out! More of the bastards coming out of the trees!
Dommage, hein. Appuyez sur... Ok. Donc là... Ok, là, ça sectionne tout seul, c'est... J'ai beaucoup de mal avec le système de tir là tout de suite. Il va vraiment falloir que... Tu vois qui fait que j'appuie 2 fois et une fois ne suffit pas, quoi. Maintenir de toucher aussi. Enfin, vraiment, je regarde les touches. Ça peut être amusant, mais... Là, s'il y a des trucs que je loupe pas, quoi. Pour l'instant, on va juste se régaler sur l'argent qu'on peut gagner là-dessus. Ok. La route des objets. Ah. Sélectionner amortisseur et relâcher. C'est quoi vers le niveau 3? F1. Ok. Ok. Mhm. Donc il y a un système de level up. D'accord, au courant. Donc là je cours en maintenant, c'est bon. Et... Le cadavre dans... C'était la quête, je crois, donc c'est fait. Pourquoi la carte se dézoome et se rezoome? Ça c'est un peu embêtant. Je ferai ça à la fin. Pas un petit... Ah. La touche pour fouiller les corps et en même temps le reste est... Bah attendez-moi. C'était un coffre. Ok, on a retrouvé un médicament miracle. Non, je crois que j'avais rien vu là-haut. On avait regardé aux jumelles. On peut porter des cadavres. Non.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike,
Oui, oui.
search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go.
C'était ici justement, je devais y aller. C'est pas clair en termes de course, il faut que je retouche mes boutons potentiellement. J'ai déjà su trop de tabac. C'est les dynamites, ils sont là. Alors, ça va être le coffre. Je vais en profiter parce que là, j'arrive bien à courir pour... Désolé pour toutes ces allers-retours. Hein. On va maintenir. On va maintenir ici. Ok. Ok, donc, il ne peut plus courir dans cette situation. Mais attendez, pourquoi il ne peut plus courir avec ce quand j'appuie sur ça? Je sais pas. On va réactiver. Au moins il courait. Non. Au moins il court là.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on. Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you. Not a man down.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will. just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground. Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Colm?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it. Yeah.
Comment j'accélère plus?
You got the wrong feller!
Oh, no, you don't.
Ah, shit! No!
F pour ligoter.
Coming with me.
Come on, I'm nobody, mister.
This is very kind of you.
Please don't!
La nuit elle est tombée vite d'un coup.
I'm
Hein.
no use to you, really.
Look at the floor for a bit.
Enlever. Oui.
Yeah, good boy. What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Ne t'inquiète pas, on va rien te
Something you
faire.
ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please. Come on, mister. Please. I hardly know him.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
La jauge d'endurance du cheval se régène bien plus doucement que dans le 1 aussi. J'ai l'impression que tu peux sprinter du coup plus longtemps aussi.
Come on, just name your price. I've only been running with them a couple of months. They don't tell me nothing, I swear.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay.
That's 2 bones right there. Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys. Good boy.
Ok, donc on peut faire cabrer le cheval. Certaines manœuvres.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. we get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
Il y avait l'oncle. Notre fameux oncle. Le fameux oncle qui dort, qui ne s'occupe pas de la ferme. C'est Bill là?
You okay, Bill?
Are we gonna hit this train then?
Seems that way.
Ah bien, on va trouver l'oncle. Mika, je l'aime pas. Bravo, è scuola. C'est parce qu'on est dans la ville qu'on peut pas courir. Un petit pied là-haut.
When you get a chance, send someone down the track back to that farmhouse.
Okay. Why?
That poor woman's husband needs burying.
Of course. And is it safe down there?
Just send someone sensible.
Understood.
All right.
Ok. Est-ce que ça sauvegarde dans le même sens que... Peut-être j'ai le maximum. Ok. Ah, on peut sauvegarder comme ça. Eh bien, sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine.